Hi my dear Neet PG aspirants, I am Dr. Shivani Jain, your Ophthalmology faculty at DocTutorials. Guys, as your Neet PG exam is approaching, I'm sure you must be having a little anxiety, like how to proceed in these 120 days of preparation. So friends, for that, we are launching a Neet PG Lakshya 2024 plan. You will have access to 6 grand tests. For that, explanation will be given by the subject expert. You can have access to the videos and the Q bank, especially made Q bank by the subject expert himself. So it's a robust Q bank of almost 17,000 questions. You can also give multiple mini grand tests, subject-wise tests, and you can track your progress on the leaderboard itself. So friends, why not to enroll now? Make your dreams into reality. Best of luck in your preparation. Join soon with the Neet PG Lakshya 2024 plan. Best of luck.